Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to change notification sound for messages on WhatsApp. If you want to change notification sound of messages on WhatsApp, you just need to follow these steps. First, oh, just keep a long press on WhatsApp app and then select app info, and after that it will open in your mobile settings. Here you just need to tap on notifications, and now you just have to scroll down and tap on additional settings in the app. Just tap on it, and here you have an option of notification tone. Just tap on it, and now you can select the tone you want. As I'm going to select this one, so just tap on it and then tap on OK. And now you can see I have successfully selected and changed the notification sound for messages on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.